Do you want to help me open this?
Whoa, let's see what's inside.
Okay. All right. Woo! Heather, you do it? Do you want Eric? You want me to do it? Ah! Have you ever seen a cow before? You've never seen a cow before. You've never seen a cow before. You've never seen a cow, Jace. Are you sure you've never seen a cow before? This is his first time ever seeing a cow. Here you go. And then we got some books that have cows in them, which is really good because you've never seen a cow before. So this is going to teach you all about cows. This one is called The Cows Go Shuffle. No, that's not actually, he can't read, so he doesn't know what it says. It says The Cows Go Moo Shuffle, and that's when the cows go dance. There you go. Jace, this is a coloring book. Do you like to color? That's a coloring book.
Wow.
And this one is The Cows Go Moo, Utterly Amusing Activity and Coloring Book. It's another coloring book. You guys,
It's a pun.
and then this is The Cows Go Moo. And those are all for you, Jace.
There's also some stickers.
Oh, and there's some stickers too. There's some stickers.
MOOchas, gracias.
And here's some stickers. You can do whatever you want with the stickers. You can put them in the coloring book. Do you want to look at the coloring book, buddy?
I think I get a little note.
Thank you. I'll read
Oh,
that.
there's a little note there too.
You want to read this? All right. This is what you want to read. This is from Heifer International. Together we have the power over hunger and poverty. Jace, this is important, but it's really not as fun as the coloring books. Do you want me to read this to you?
Hey, that could be his calling.
Out of everything in the box, this is what's your favorite thing in the box, Jace? Heather, you say your favorite thing in the box first.
Favorite thing is the Cows Go Moo Shuffle coloring book. That looks
Okay.
really fun.
That does look really fun. Jace, do you want Star to say what her favorite thing in the box is? You don't? Do you want to say what your favorite thing in the box is? Ben, what's your favorite thing?
The amusing activity and coloring book.
I really don't think that's how it's pronounced.
I think it is.
They color like moo.
That might be a typo.
Moo.
I get that. But all right, Jace, that was great. You're done. You can have anything you want now.